It works. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but onions really works. Okay? I don't get any sponsorship. I don't get anything. But I'm just telling you, this works. Just try it twice a week. That's it. And the amount of messages and comments that I receive about this, they said it's working. Shh. Okay? Just try it and let me know. Just have the amount of people message me, comment, DM me about this. They keep saying it's working. I'm glad. I'm glad that you guys tried it and it works for you. Please just try it. It's very easy. It's just onion. You can blend it with water and you can spray it, or you just cut it and just rub it. Especially if you have dandruff, if you have issues in your scalp, this is amazing. This is like detoxifying and growth. This is for the detoxifying and growth. Okay.